I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Mercedes Benz S Class. First, make sure your mobile phone's Bluetooth is active and set to be discoverable. Next, navigate to the phone menu on your car's central display. From there, you will want to select the option that says Connect Device or New Device to begin the pairing process. This initial step prepares both your phone and your vehicle for a seamless connection. Now, on your S Class display, select Search for Devices to allow your car to find your phone. Once your phone's name appears in the list, simply select it. Both your phone and the car's system will then display a 6-digit passkey. It is crucial to verify that these numbers match exactly on both devices before confirming the connection. This ensures a secure and correct pairing between your phone and your Mercedes Benz. After confirming the passkey, your phone should indicate a successful Bluetooth connection. Simultaneously, your Mercedes Benz S Class infotainment system will display your phone as connected, ready for both telephone functions and audio streaming. You are now all set to enjoy your favorite music, podcasts, and make hands-free calls directly through your vehicle's premium sound system. It is a truly integrated and convenient experience. If you encounter any difficulties, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, always ensure your phone has sufficient battery charge, as low power can sometimes affect connectivity. If the problem persists, try restarting both your mobile phone and your car's infotainment system. For more specific guidance or unique situations, always refer to your Mercedes Benz S Class Owner's Manual, which provides detailed instructions for your particular model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.